Enerlites In-Wall Sensors serve various purposes, including enhancing safety, promoting energy conservation, providing convenience, and offering health benefits. Our state-of-the-art devices employ advanced technologies like PIR and ultrasonic sensors for motion detection, photoelectric sensors to gauge daylight levels, and humidity sensors to measure air moisture levels. These devices are customizable, allowing adjustment of detection range, time delay, ambient light, and humidity levels to suit individual needs. Available in single-pole or three-way control configurations, with or without a neutral wire, and offering vacancy or occupancy modes, our sensors replace outdated on and off switches. They are compatible with LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, and seamlessly accommodate bathroom exhaust fans. Proper installation and strategic placement ensure compliance with local energy codes. These devices contribute to preventing mold growth in bathrooms, automatically illuminating rooms upon entry, and efficiently turning off lights and fans when not in use. By choosing Enerlites, you not only save energy, but also play a role in reducing our carbon footprint. To learn more about Enerlites lighting control solutions, visit enerlites.com today.